All right, more little tips and tricks. So these cute little decorative zippers on these bags, you sew them to the outside of the bag just using a light zigzag stitch and a matching thread so you don't see it very well. I mean, you can see it, but it's not obvious. It doesn't stand out. But that's not normally how you do a zipper. Normally a zipper will go inside the seam when you're putting a bag together, so you don't even see this zipper tape. It's kind of hidden inside the seam of the bag. But with these decorative zippers, the whole point of having them is so you can show how cute they are and put them on the outside of the bag. But trying to line them up so that when you unzip your bag, they don't get caught in the zipper, and also trying to make it even and hold it down while you're sewing under your needle so things don't shift as it's moving underneath the needle. It can be a little bit difficult, so I'll show you my tip for how I fix that. I have this awesome double-sided sticky tape. It's 1/4-inch tape, and I'm just putting that tape right here along the edge of the fabric. I've already got this side down. So you put that sticky tape on it, then you stick your zipper in place, and it'll hold it in place until you get it under that sewing machine needle. So like I said, it's double-sided, so I'm sticking it down. Just kind of use your fingers to press it down really good, and then you gotta have to lift up that paper. Make sure your sticky glue is still stuck there, and pull the paper off. And the other advantage of doing it this way also is I can make sure my bag is nice and lined up, nice and even. So then I can just lay this zipper right where I'm going to want it to go and press it in place. And like I said, it's just a temporary hold. And this tape is made so it doesn't gum up your needle. It doesn't put a lot of gummy stuff on your needle as you're sewing, so your needle doesn't stick. I've had tape that's too sticky and my needle sticks in it and it has a hard time penetrating it. But anyway, so that will be where it will stay while I sew that in place, because I'll sew one side down, and then when I sew the other side down, I actually have to open this zipper to be able to get under my needle with just that. So again, with that zipper open and it's already tacked down to one side, if I don't have something to hold it in place, it's hard to keep it from shifting and moving on me. And I got some threads here to trim, but that's just a excellent tip for doing zippers. And even if you're doing a regular zipper inside the seam, you can still use this sticky tape to hold it in place inside that seam. So this is kind of one of those tools. If you're a sewer and you're making things that need zippers, it's really handy to have. So thanks for watching. Bye.